Today we're making a Steelhead Trout Summer Salad using Marine Harvest Steelhead Trout by Mowi. Flaky baked trout, sweet mango, creamy avocado, and a bright citrus vinaigrette over greens. It's ready in about 20 minutes, so fresh and so easy. You'll start by prepping your salad ingredients. Cut the mango into bite-sized pieces. You can use whatever method you like, but I like to score mine and scoop it out with a spoon. Then, thinly slice a quarter of a red onion. A little goes a long way here, so you don't actually need much. Make your citrus vinaigrette. You'll need extra virgin olive oil, orange juice, juice of half a lime, some honey, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. Shake it all together and put it aside until you're ready to assemble the salad. For the trout, grab your Marine Harvest by Mowi Steelhead Trout portions. It's fresh, never frozen, and BAP certified, so you know it's great quality. And the portions are already the perfect size. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and lightly pat them dry with a paper towel. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and lightly brush it over the trout. Season with sea salt and pepper. You'll bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're cooked through and flake easily with a fork. Now let's assemble the salad. You'll start with the mixed greens, then add on your fresh mango chunks, your red onion slices, and then some ripe avocado. Sprinkle on some pepitas, and then top with that perfectly cooked steelhead trout. Then drizzle with the citrus vinaigrette. This one's great for a summer lunch or easy dinner. It's so fresh and so good. You'll want to make it all summer long. I hope you enjoy this one.